Okay, first of all, coordination number is nothing but nearest neighboring atom. It is called as coordination number. Atomic radius is nothing but nearest half the distance between the two nearest neighboring atoms. It is called as atomic radius, and an atomic packing factor value is equal to number of atoms per volume of all the atom, volume of all the atom, all the atoms in a big cell whole divided by total volume of the unit cell. Okay, atomic packing factor formula is volume of all the atom in a unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell. Again, volume of all the atom in unit cell formula is number of atoms per unit cell, number of atoms per unit cell, into volume of one atom. Volume of one atom. This is the formula for calculating the atomic packing factor. Volume of all the atom in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell. First of all, volume of all the atom in unit cell formula is number of atoms per unit cell into volume of one atom. Okay, now we are calculating the value for simple cubic system. Is number of atoms per unit cell. In this case, simple cubic system having 8 common atoms. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 common atoms. This is called the simple cubic system. Each atom is shared by 1 by 8 of adjacent unit cell. Each atom is shared by 1 by 8 of adjacent unit cell. So 1 by 8. So number of atoms per unit cell formula is total number of corner atoms 1 by 8. Each atom is shared by 1 by 8 of adjacent unit cell into total number of corner atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 8. So calculating the value, number of atoms per unit cell in this case of simple cubic system is 1. Next one is next value is atomic coordination number. Coordination number. In this case, coordination number is nothing but nearest neighboring atom. So consider any two distance structure, simple cubic structure. Okay. Consider this atom, central atom. So we are calculating the nearest neighboring atom. So consider this atom, the nearest neighboring atom 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So total number of nearest neighboring atoms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So coordination number of this simple cubic system is 6. Coordination number is equal to 6. The next one is we calculating the value, atomic radius value. Atomic radius. Atomic radius is nothing but consider any two atoms. For example, consider these two atoms. The whole distance is A. This atom half of the distance of, in this atom half of the distance of. So totally this is A. So A is equal to 2R, and then we will find out the value, R value